Welcome to Stuff Lab. I'm Gwen, and today we are trying Topo Chico mineral water. I got this a while ago. I don't know if it actually goes bad. I don't know. I don't see an expiration. So I got this at our local Super One. In the checkout line, there is no barcode. So this was by itself in a rack in the delicious beverages aisle that is non-refrigerated. So I grabbed it because I never had that before. That'd be fun. Give that a try. Get up to the checkout. No barcode. Not for individual sale. Someone had cracked open one of the multi-packs of Topo Chico and loaded up the for individual sale area with them. So they said they weren't gonna sell it to me, and I said, how much is regular one? Can I just buy it for that price? And they said, okay, $1.49. I went, deal. So yeah, ingredients, mineral water, carbon dioxide. It says to serve chilled. This came out of the fridge. I'm actually following directions for once. All right, let's try it. Nope, that's gonna rip my fingers apart. Ooh, that still might rip my fingers. Oh, are you? Oh. Dang. Can I do this? I'm a baby. I'm a baby. Okay. We did it. Here we go. Ooh. It worked. 10 out of 10. All right. That's good. I don't understand. So usually a mineral water will have some sort of minerally taste, even if it's very faint. I don't get that from this. But it's really good. It's got like the perfect amount of carbonation. Should we drink a bunch and then have a big burp? Should we? I think we should. I mean, for science, right? Ooh, there was a little one. Okay, here we go. That was mostly just air. Oh well. Oh man, I made a mess. Oh no, he's leaving fuzzies. Oh man. We're having a time. That's 10 out of 10. I don't think there's anything wrong with Topo Chico. I would spend my money on it. I would seek it out. I would drink it at a friend's house. I would like it as a gift. This is really, really good. I would buy this for other people to try it who have not tried it. Yeah, I like this. This is 10 out of 10. Fabulous. Thank you for joining us today, and we will see you next time. Bye!